Welcome back my channel. Relax, just let go. Take a deep breath, and close your eyes. You're safe here. You're calm. Now, let me begin the deep ear cleaning, slowly, gently. I'll start on your left ear. Just brushing the outer edge. Soft strokes, light touch. Can you feel that? Yes, just like that. Now, let's go a little deeper. Using this soft cotton bud, slowly entering. There, gentle pressure, not too much. Just enough to feel that warm, soothing sensation. Listen to the sound. A little scratch. A soft rub. Ticklish, isn't it? I'm removing all the buildup, every little piece of wax. Old, dry flakes. Gone, wiped away. With each motion, you're feeling lighter, calmer. SSST, SSSST, swipe, swipe. That sound, so close, so intimate. Now I'll move to the right ear. Same soft touch. You might feel a little tingle. That's okay, just relax. Let the sensation carry you deeper. Gently tapping around the ear canal. Little bits of wax popping off. Tiny, crisp sounds. Can you hear them? That's your ear getting cleaner. More open, more refreshed. Let's use a metal tool now. Very carefully, no pain, only relaxation. SCCRRRCH, soft scraping. Just removing what doesn't belong. Clearing the path for calmness. That tingling feeling again. Yes, it's working. Now using a fluffy brush, around the outside of your ear. Light, circular motions, bringing you back to balance. Feel your shoulders dropping, your breath slowing. The comfort is growing deeper. You're doing great. This isn't just cleaning. It's a ritual of peace. Of clarity, of presence. Let go of stress. Let go of thoughts. Just feel this moment. Me, taking care of you. Every stroke, every sound, meant only for your calm. Final pass with the microfiber swab. Quick and soft, like clouds brushing against your skin. Almost done now. Everything is clean. So